Introducing the future of floor care. The 3i-S10 Ultra, the world's most advanced robot vacuum and mop, designed to make your life easier, cleaner, and smarter. With cutting-edge technology and sleek design, the 3i-S10 Ultra offers powerful performance for both vacuuming and mopping without any of the hassle. The 3i-S10 Ultra doesn't just clean, it scans and adapts. With DirtScan and green light technology, it precisely identifies 68 types of dirt and debris, ensuring tailored cleaning for every surface. It sees what others can't, adapting its cleaning strategy in real time for the perfect result. Cleaning efficiency is taken to the next level with the high-speed, self-cleaning roller mop. The 3i-S10 Ultra's UltraReach roller mop extends to the edges of your walls, ensuring no area is left untouched. Every corner, every edge, perfectly cleaned. Featuring 12 nozzles and a built-in scraper, it cleans itself in real time, leaving no residue behind. With a roller speed of 330 RPM, your floors will be spotless in no time. And with its dual anti-tangle design, the 3i-S10 Ultra tackles pet hair effortlessly, so you never have to worry about interruptions. Plus, it's smart enough to automatically detect carpets, lifting the mop and boosting suction when needed. Say goodbye to frequent water changes and complex installations. The 3i-S10 Ultra features the world's first WaterRecycle system with 3 exclusive patents. It distills wastewater and captures air moisture to create clean water on demand for continuous floor cleaning. Take full control with the 3i-S10 Ultra's easy-to-use app. Customize your cleaning schedule, select areas to target, and track performance with real-time data. It's cleaning on your terms. Whether it's everyday messes, tough stains, or deep cleaning your home, the 3i-S10 Ultra is the solution. It works smarter, faster, and more efficiently than ever before, giving you the cleanest floors with zero effort. The future of cleaning is here. The 3i-S10 Ultra, effortless, powerful, and smart. Experience a cleaner, more convenient home today. Click on the link in the description to order your 3i-S10 Ultra now.